So this pattern calls for multiples of 8, which means you will chain 8, 8, 8, 8 until you reach the desired width. And then you would add 4 more chains. So it says here, it says to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. I already mapped out my chains where they should, where the stitches should go because I cannot see. Okay, so 1 double crochet and 4 chain from the hook. Then you're going to skip 3 chains, and in the 4th chain you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, okay, I think I just put cream on my hands, that's what's slippery. Chain 1 and then 2 more double crochets, all in the same chain. So then you're going to skip three chains, and then you're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet. Then skip 3 chains, and then again, in the 4th chain, you're going to do your 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, and chain 1, and then 2 double crochets. And that's going to be your foundation row. Again, skip 3 chains, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And again, your 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. And then in the last chain, you're going to do 2 double crochets. No. Yes, 2 double crochets. Confusing you with another pattern here. 2 double crochets. Okay. So for row 2, you're going to chain up 4. And then do a double crochet in the same, right here in the same space or stitch. Then you're going to jump to the chain 1 space here and do 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then jump to the next chain 1 space and do another 2 double crochets. Then you're going to jump here to this chain 1 space and do a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. And then just repeat. This chain 1 space, do a double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then this chain 1 space right here, do 2 more double crochets. And this chain 1 space, do your double crochet, chain 2, and then your double crochet. Chain 1 space, 2 double crochets, chain 2, the next chain 1 space, 2 double crochets. So here at the end, you're going to do 2 double crochets on top of the chain 3. If you can't find the top of the chain 3, as I always say, just as long as it just looks straight. Matter. Okay, so that's row number 2. Mark that off because I get confused. Okay, so for row number 3, you're going to chain 3. And in this chain, oh, you know what? I did this again. Tried to do this video yesterday and I couldn't. Okay, so, sorry. So at the end, you're going to do your double crochet on the top of the chain 3, but you're going to chain 1. And then do your double crochet. Yes, I was looking at row 1. Okay, so it has to change. Okay, so now chain 3. And in this chain 1 space, do a double crochet, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets. I tried to do this yesterday. I had so many interruptions with the dogs and everything, so I had to start over. Okay, and I made the same mistake as I did yesterday. Okay, so then you're going to jump into this chain 2 space and do a double crochet, chain 1, and then a double crochet. And then here, now here's this little V stitch right here, this chain 2 space. You're going to do your 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets. And here in the chain 2 space, you're going to do your double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And again, in this chain 2 space, this gets confusing. This looks like a V-stitch, but it's part of that set of the 2 double crochets that you did below. So this is the correct, so this is a chain 2. Look for the chain 2 space to do your 2 double crochets. Chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, double crochets, and then the next chain 1 space, I'm sorry, in the next chain 2 space, you're going to do your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So here at the end, you're going to do this right here in this space right here, you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then attach and do the double crochet, not attached, double crochet on the top of the chain 3. Like that. Okay, so that's row number 3. Now, this pattern, if you have a good memory, I don't. I don't suggest you do this in a dark colored yarn because it gets confusing. You can't really see. You can get confused with the V-stitch, with the 2 stitches that I was mentioning right here, these 2. So that's what happened to me with this. I had a hard time figuring out. And also I wasn't really paying attention. I was trying to crochet and look at and watch something at the same time, so that wasn't a good idea. But anyway, that's my suggestion. Just, you know, if you're a little bit distracted like me, you're gonna have a hard time seeing the stitches below to figure out where everything goes, because again, it gets a little bit confusing. But that's just my suggestion. But if you have a good memory and you see everything you're doing, or have a good lighting, then you'll be fine. Okay, so for row number 4, I'm going to chain up 4. And then this chain 1 space right here, you're going to do 2 double crochets. Oh goodness, there's one of my dogs. Close the office so they won't come in here. Okay, so in this chain 1 space, you're going to do a double crochet, chain 2. Oh goodness. Wow, this really splits a lot. Okay. chain 1, no, chain 2, and then a double crochet. Okay, and then in this space again, this chain 1 space. Did I miss it? Of course I did. Yes, I did. Let me fix this real quick. Okay, so I was walking you through this. How could I have missed this? Okay. Anyway, so in this chain 1 space, you're going to do your 2 double crochets, your chain 2, and the next chain 1 space, your other 2 double crochets. So basically, row 4 is the same as row 2, and row 3 is going to be the same as row 5. No, row 5 is going to be the same as row 3. It's just the way, you know, it ends and it starts and it begins. Okay, so now we're going to jump to this chain 1 space, do a double crochet, chain 2, then double crochet. Then again, this chain 1 space, do your 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, right? And then in your chain 1, chain 2 space here, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. So here at the end, we're going to do, in this chain 1 space right here, you're going to do 2, not chain, well, this little turning chain right here, which is, it's a chain 4, which is counts for a double crochet in a chain. So you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then a double crochet on top of the chain 3. Like that. So that's row number 4. So for the last row, number 5, you're going to chain up 3, and then to go in here in the same stitch and do a double crochet. And then you're going to jump, no. So in this chain 2 space, you're going to do your chain, your double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 double crochets. And then in this, right here in this chain 2 space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And again, this looks kind of weird right here. This is what I was talking about when you do the dark color yarn. This gets a little bit confusing. So you're going to skip this right here. So you're going to do this in the chain 2 space. You're going to do your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. So then you jump to this chain 2 space and do your double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet. Then again, this chain 2 space, your 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. And then to end row number 5, you're just going to do 2 double crochets on top of the chain 3, which we'll just say it's somewhere around here. Oh, this is kind of difficult to do. If you do it here in this chain, it's going to be, I mean, instead in the space instead of the chain, it is not going to be straight. Oh goodness, I can't get this in here. What the hell? Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to say that. Ah. There. Okay, so 2 double crochets. Okay. There. So that's it. So your repeats row is going to be row from 2 to 5. And that's the pattern. It looks like this. I like it. It looks a little bit, it looks like it's a difficult pattern. like, oh my God, they put too much work in it. That's my opinion, but it's really not. So just start out with row number 2 again, chain up 4. And then here, you're going to do your double crochet in that same stitch. And start over your 2 double crochets. 1, 2. 2 double crochets. Okay, and that's it. And again, you just jump here. And you do your double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And that's it. You continue the pattern. So that's it. I guess that's all. Please email me with any questions. Questions, comments, or anything. Please, sorry I said that. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.